And it is Wednesday, April the 23rd, 2025. And we are at the opening of the bell, as you can see. And we're starting out this morning investing $16,861. During pre-market, it was up to like $2,700, almost $3,000. And we have a buying power this morning of $5,600. And this is exactly what I was saying about buying and holding, and why you should continue to buy in the market, because you never know from day to day what the market is going to be doing. And so here is a clear example of it's changing just overnight. And on yesterday we have Tesla earnings report, which they didn't do too good on both ends. They did not meet expectation, and with all of the negative forces going against this company, because of the CEO has his hand in the Trump administration, with what they call it, the those government agencies, the one they were hired to reduce waste spending with the federal government. And so with Elon being involved in that, it has had a adverse effect on the company, with people not really agreeing with him being in such a position. And most people think that he should just concentrate on his own business and not be involved with the government. And then on yesterday, Elon announced that he will be scaling back some of his involvement in the government. I think starting next month, he's going to be maybe dedicating maybe 2 days out of the week involved with the federal government. And that's because he has put a team in place, and that team should be able to operate without him. So he's able to concentrate a lot of more of his time with Tesla. But still, some of the shareholders still didn't like that at all. Some of them want him just to be done with his role in the federal government. But he has vowed to stick with President Trump in any way he can, and trying to make sure that some of the things that has happened with other government, that it doesn't happen with the United States government. And so Tesla was unable to reach its mark, and at first we thought that was the reason why the market was had so much volatility, and it was going up and going down. But that didn't make sense, because of Tesla was not losing any share prices. It wasn't going down. It actually was going up. And that's because also President Trump on yesterday decided, where he announced that he's going to be making a deal with China, and he's going to be cutting back on the tariffs, and tariffs is not going to be so great against against China, and that it is a deal with China in the making. And so that's what actually boosts the market overnight and during the evening and overnights and after hour session, the market started to rally back up. And so this morning we got Tesla trading at 247.43, and it's up by $9.24. And let's see, I currently have 14.72 shares of it with a market value of $3,628, and my portfolio diversity is 6.29%. And so that is why we have so much green this morning. Okay, let's get into the morning brief. See, the U.S. stock market is experiencing a strong rally today, fueled by positive corporate earnings and easing trade tensions. Today, the market is rebounding significantly, driven by a wave of better than expected corporate earnings from major companies like GE, Aerospace, and 3M, which have boosted investors' confidence. Additionally, President Trump's indication of a softer approach to tariffs, to trade tariffs with China, has aggravated some markets' anxieties. The technology sector is leading the charge, with stocks like Apple and Amazon seeing notably gains. Conversely, Tesla disappointing earnings report has negatively impacted its stocks, reflecting the mixed segments in the automotive sector. Overall, the market is benefiting from positive global clues, with gains in Asian and European markets contributing to the bullish outlook. And we got up and coming events, so we already have had the earnings, I think, for Tesla. That was what's today's date? Because it's actually saying that I think we had that on yesterday. Okay, then we got 5-1. We got the Federal Reserve meeting. The Federal Reserve up and coming meeting is crucial as any hits regarding interest rates changes could significantly impact market dynamics and investor strategy. And on 5/15, you got the retail sales data. The release of retail sales data will provide insights into consumer spending trends, which are vital for the economic health in market performance. Trump's comments boost market segments. President Trump's decision not to dismiss the Fed chair has relieved markets' anxieties, leading to gains in major index. This is crucial as it stabilizes investors' confidence amid ongoing economic uncertainties. Tesla share declines ahead of earnings. Tesla stocks continues to fall as concerns mount over CEO Elon Musk's political ties and the impact of tariffs on the auto industry. This is significant as it reflects investor comprehensions about the company's future performance. And first of all, Tesla's not a car company, so I don't know why people are saying stuff like that. Tesla is a high tech company, and they have their hands in many endeavors, including owning what used to be Twitter, SpaceX, the autonomous vehicle, and the Robux. Just a few of other things that Tesla has its hands in. So it's not a EV company, even though they do make produce EV vehicles. So that's why you would never be able to hurt this company just by going out and vandalizing its dealership when it comes to the EVs or its vehicles that you see in the market. This company is much bigger than just a EV company, and that's why it's such a good company to invest in and have in your portfolio. So I laugh when I see people doing that, trying to hurt this company. I'm all in on it, no matter what Elon's doing. But I do hope that sometime in the not so near future that he does turn things around and start focus more on the on his company. The United Health cuts profit forecast. The United Health has lowered its full year profit forecast due to rising medical costs, resulting in a sharp sell-off of its shares. This is important as it highlights challenges in the healthcare sectors that could affect investor segments. And so, yeah, that's going to do it for your morning brief. And hopefully some of you have seen some of these notices pop across my screen with and different things that's going on in the market, as you can see. So we're going to start out this morning with 5,600 in buying power. And even though my account is still restricted, and it is restricted because about a couple of days ago I transferred some money from my bank account, and for some reason or another it got reversed. And also when you hook up your account to Robinhood, and if you've been in Robinhood long enough, you will eventually be able to qualify what you call a see, how is it worded? It is in other words, when you deposit money, instead of you waiting 5 to 10 business days for that check to clear, if you will have like an early deposit, into your portfolio. Like, say you want to deposit $500 and you request Robinhood to take $500 out of your bank account. So that normally takes 5 to 10 days. If you has a little age on your Robinhood account, usually like 2 to 3 to 6 months, something like that, then you will qualify for early cash advance. And so if you put $500, request $500, then it will automatically go into your portfolio, even though it has not been cleared by your bank. And that way, if you see a particular stock of strategy that you want to get in on, you would not miss out on investing into that particular strategy. So, because that money will come already available to you. But still, it takes 5 to 10 days for that to actually clear it. And so, if you get a reversal, and your bank said that you did not have it, or some reason, or for some reason or another, the bank just decided to reverse it, then it will come back and your account will get restricted, like mine did. I don't know why that happened, but my account got restricted, and so I'm waiting for now even though I have a buying power of $5,600, it still haven't cleared, and the $1,500 I just added hasn't cleared. It won't be cleared until Friday, so it actually restricted my buying power. And so let's look at the portfolio stocks. It was worth the portfolio stock and ETF is trading at $66,400 some dollars more. It's up by $3,047, which is this is good to see. I still have currently 228 items in my holdings portfolio. That's why I say when your stocks are down, that is the time to be buying and loading up on your stocks. I know you may not feel like it, and you think that the world is ending because you think you're losing. You think you're losing money. See, and you're not. So you only lose if you lock in your losses. Or why the market is down. Why the market is down? If you sell, get out of it, instead of waiting until the market can go back up, then you lock in your losses. And so if you have been buying, like I told you guys to be buying when the market was down, then this morning you'll be up. See, and I'm up by $1,900 this morning. It's dropping a little bit, but still is good. And I'm investing $17,000. I think yesterday it was like 13 or 14,000. And let's see what Tesla's at. Tesla's at 246.658. But it's actually up this morning by $8.30 It's falling off of just a little bit, as you can see. Well, it takes a lot to hurt these companies. And time in the market, like I always say, it beats trying to beat the market. Because I know some of you guys I see think you're smart enough to beat the market. And so whenever you hear some news about about a company, you want to go around and put some puts in, and you do that. You do that. You do that on really ignorantly to go and put some puts in just because you hear some bad news about a company. That don't necessarily mean it's going to affect that stock of that company just because you hear some bad things about it. You only put puts in on a company when you are trying to own more of its shares, or if the company is going out of business, or if the company is being laying off half of its workforce, or if the company has some kind of major lawsuit against it, or if the company just start doing bad business practices. But just go and put some puts in because the CEO is involved in the federal government, and you think the stock is going to go down. You trying to drive the stock down. It's not going to happen. You're just going to be sitting there looking funny and losing money when you do this. Like I always say, time in the market beats trying to beat the market. Because they can say one word, or the president can take one pen and executive order and change the whole landscape of investing. So I always say you buy and hold, just buy and hold, and then you are not at risk. I see, I'm not at risk with these 14 shares I have. See, and it's going up. It's almost at $4,000. It's 14 shares. It's not at risk of me losing. So what if it go down? If it go down, then I wait for it to go back up. But I'm gonna continue to buy it. Yeah, some of you think you're smarter than the market. You ain't gonna beat this. This has been around way before we've been born. Ain't no way in the world you're gonna beat this. I got this. Look at this. This is Google here. Alphabet Class A is trading at this morning at 156.22, and it's up by $4.78. I got 106 shares of it. The market value of 16,000. Days return on is right here, $528.33. I make more in a few hours than most people make in a whole week, and sometimes even a whole month. And so here's our Amazon. Amazon's trading at 185. It's up this morning, $12 and some cents. I only have 6.1 shares of it, with market value of $11.64. I made this morning $73.54. And we're not gonna always have good days. We have the good days and we have the bad days. But the thing is to be consistent and to keep on investing. And that's how you grow your portfolio, and that's how you grow your wealth and generational wealth. Netflix, boy, I tell you, if you don't own, look at that, it's $1,000 now. $1,048. It's up this morning by $8.53. See, that's what I'm saying. If you don't own Netflix, something really wrong with you. I mean, even if you can't afford it, put yourself $5, $10 in it, $25, $30, $100. Yeah, I'm not buying it for no $1,000. But because of Robinhood, you are able to switch to fractional shares. And fractional shares is dollars shares. and you can put in what you can afford. Because I mean, who's gonna buy $1,000 stock? $1,000 of stock, man. You can have 10 or more other companies that you own in your portfolio with $1,000. And the reason why you want to do that and not want to invest $1,000, because at the same time you invest $1,000, and even though Netflix is a good company, something could happen and make that stock fall. The way if you have say 5 or 6 of them, and you have $1,000 invested in it, and something happens, then your portfolio is able to withstand that hit without it being totally decimated. And so we got Microsoft here. It's trading at 378.58. It's up this morning by 11.69%. It's 1.4 shares of it with a market value of $500. And so far I made $16 this morning off of it. And so it's no way for me to totally calculate. I can tell you by how close I have come, what my stock is doing so far. So far, I made it dropped a little bit. It was at 3,000. Right now, it's at $2,664 that I made this morning in my portfolio. And this is it's back up now, 3,000. And this is cash money. It's not Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. It's not digital. The S&P is trading at 543. It's up this morning by $15.79. Currently have 3.6 shares of it. Just value up on $2,000. Made $57 this morning off of it, even though it's still negative 111. Nvidia this morning is at 103.38. It's up this morning by $4.48. I currently have 130 shares of it. Market value of $13,488. It is 23.10% of my portfolio diversity. So far this morning, I made $500 some dollars off of this particular stock, which is 4.30% of my portfolio. Still down negative though, $2,600. NASDAQ here, I got it's up trading at this morning at 74.75. It's up $2.06. 4.8 shares of it. Market value $361. This morning I made $9.38 off of it. The Dow is trading at $30.39. It's up by $1.40. I currently have 3.7 shares of it. Market value of $115.39. I made $5 off of it this morning. A little over $5. Palantir, another one of my heavy hitters, is trading at a little over $100 this morning. It's up by $6.25. Still got 11 days for his earnings his report is going to be due. I have 117 shares of it. Market value $11,823. So far this morning, I have made $728. Total returns $2,000. So you cannot go wrong with having Palantir technology in your portfolio. I got spooked though when it reduced a couple of weeks ago. The government downsized, so I had 170 some shares of it. And so it started selling off. When it started selling off, I sold half of it and took half of it and we invested it back into the market. And so I saved myself a lot of losses because I would have lost half of my portfolio. Even though I always say that, you don't sell off when it does that, but it just so happened that I did this time. And it saved me from losing a whole lot of money because I would have lost like $10,000. And so, yeah, the market is pretty green today. Pretty green. And if you are buying today, you're already too late. You're already too late because it's green already. You should have been buying when it's in the red. Like this here. This is in the red this morning. The United States Oil Fund is in the red. You should be buying this today. But what you all do is turn around. You all do turn around and buy this. You buy this because it's green. See, it's already up 44 cents. So if you buying today, you're already missed out on 40-some cents of growth because you wait till it turn gray. Till it turn green. Let's see, where's SoFi at? I guess I missed it. Yeah, here it is right here. SoFi is at $12.18. So up this morning by 91 cents. I currently have 120 shares of it. Market value of $1,400. I made $107 off of it. So both SoFi has not reached its full potential yet. It's going to. SoFi is updated. Today's banking and most banking are banking on the strategies that they set for the last 30, 40 years ago. SoFi is not that. So far, it's new age banking, and you give it a couple of a year or so, and that's gonna double from 1,400 probably to probably 17, maybe 15 or $20,000, just because of the amount of shares that I own. This is why I continue to invest in SoFi. But you gotta be patient, and you gotta let the process take place. You gotta let it work itself out. And so I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I thank you guys for watching. And if nothing else significantly happens today, then I will see you guys again on Thursday morning. Boy, this week going on by ain't already Wednesday. But if nothing else significant happens, then I'll see you guys again on Thursday morning at the opening of the bell. See, still we are investing this morning. It's still hovering around 17,000. It's up by 18.97, so it's going back and forth. Still have a buying power of $516. Buying power of $506, $5,600. As you can see, crypto is down. You crypto lovers. And crypto usually follow the market. This morning it is down. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Be safe out there wherever you go. Travel back and forth, to and fro, whether you're going to school, work, or what have you. And then we'll see you guys again here on Thursday morning after you open up the bell. Till then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good, blessed day. And stay safe.